In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to text in Canva, a process that can be completed in just 5 minutes. Once you've mastered this simple yet powerful feature, you'll be able to easily enhance your Canva designs with clickable links, perfect for sharing and promoting your ideas or projects online. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to canva.com. If you already have credentials, go ahead and click the login button located at the upper right corner of the screen. Canva offers various ways to sign in, making it super convenient. You can log in using your Google account, Facebook, or simply with your email if you prefer. Choose the method that suits you best and you'll be directed to your Canva dashboard. Once you're logged in, let's dive into creating your design. Head over to the left side of the screen where you'll find 3 horizontal lines. This is your menu button. Click it and a menu will appear. From here, select Create a Design. Canva offers a wide range of templates for all sorts of creative projects, from social media graphics to presentations and more. Browse through the options or start a new blank design to begin customizing from scratch. With your design set up, it's time to add some text. Click or tap on the area where you'd like to insert the text to which you want to add a hyperlink. You can grab an existing text box in your design or create a new one by selecting the text option from the toolbar. With your text selected, take a look at the top menu bar. You're going to need the link icon, which looks like a little chain link. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. You might need to access it by clicking the 3 dots representing the More menu that appears on the floating toolbar. Once you locate it, click Link and a dialog box will appear. Now for the fun part, adding the actual link. In the dialog box, you'll find a space to paste in the URL you wish to link to. Copy your desired link from your browser and paste it into this field. After doing so, it's crucial to click Apply or Done to ensure the link is set. Canva will then turn your text into a hyperlink, which will be clickable when shared as a digital file. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, your text is now linked, making your Canva designs more interactive and user-friendly. This feature is perfect for adding links to portfolio websites, blog posts, or any content you want to promote. With the ability to incorporate links seamlessly, your designs can now guide your audience directly to the information you want to share. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing with Canva.